Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. I own a small crafty business called Forbidden Fruit Curiosities, and I have a Premier Yarns yarn haul for you today. I mostly ordered Chenille Bright's tie-dye because they were having a sale on it, 3 for $10, and I hate that Premier has raised their prices, so anytime I see a sale, I'm going to try to take advantage of it. But here is my haul. 6 Peace and Love. 6 of Cosmic Camo. 3 of Kaleidoscope. And I go through this yarn like crazy. 6 of Flower Child. I think it's called Flower Child. Let me see. Yes, Flower Child. 3 of Technicolor. 6 of In Harmony. And I think that's all the tie-dye that I got, because I had just placed an order for other tie-dye that I still have some of. But here's what else I got. This box is huge, so it's like I'm trying my best to maneuver it. I got some Bunny Brights. This is in the color black. I want to use these as the spines of dragons, so I think that would be really pretty. And this one is Poppy. I've never used Bunny Brights, but I do have some Little Bunny that I haven't used yet. And this one is Cotton Candy. And Iris. So I think this is going to be super cute for dragons. And I've also been on a hacky sack making binge, so I got some cotton. This is Premier Home Cotton, and it comes in bags of 3. It's a medium 4-weight, 96 yards, 88 meters, 1.94 ounces, 55 grams. And this is in the color Robin's Egg Speckle. Granite Splash. These are going to make really pretty hacky sack. Rainbow Stripe. Rainbow. I think I got 2 of these. Is this rainbow as well? Yes. 2 of the rainbow. 2 of these pastel multi. Try to show it a little better. It's really pretty. Aquamarine Speckle. Red Speckle. I'd also never tried the fruits before, the Parfait Chunky Fruits, so I got this 3-pack of grape. Here's what it looks like. And it comes in a 3-pack. And I also got some hipster cotton to try out. This is in color Prismatic. Very pretty. And then this one is Cotton Sprout, and it is in the color Saltwater Taffy. And the rest of what I got is bag yarn. It's basically their Stash Goals yarn. I guess it's like mill-ins and stuff like that. But this one is purple. Stash Goals. That is such a pretty purple. Lavender. Lighting is not doing this stuff justice. Petal. This is bright pink. That's showing up pretty good. Berry. And these are like 500-gram bags, 1.1 pounds of yarn. And it's size 6, super bulky. Mint. I didn't have luck. Like, one of the times I ordered some bag yarn, it was so rough I couldn't even use it. But this all looks really good. It looks nice and soft and not raggedy like the other one was. Cream. This is gray. Coral. And ivory. There's a card in here for Premier Yarn's Big Summer Sale, Summer 2026, July 7th to July 13th. Up to 60% off select yarns, plus unbelievable bag deals on premieryarns.com. Over 50 yarns on sale, including, Basic Chanel Tie-Dye, Bunny Brights, Bloom Chenille, Bamboo Fair, the Cotton Sprout Collection, Parfait Chunky Pom Pom, Reply, and Fruits. So these are all, and it says and many more. So we'll see what else is on sale. There's the dates and whatnot. So I guess their Stash Goals is going to be on sale again. It was really good. It was like $5 a bag. So I'm hoping it turns out really good. But yeah, I would like to see them put Chanel Basic Sprites on sale. Because yeah, I'm looking over here at my wall and I've got a lot of holes now. Because I've been market prepping so hardcore lately. So I really need some more Basic Sprites. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a like. And if you enjoy my content like this, give me a subscribe. Thank you to my returning viewers. And thank you to the people who just tuned in for the first time. I will be back in either a vlog or another haul soon. All right, thanks. Bye.